Hi, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to unlock a hidden feature on your phone that makes using your screen at night way more comfortable. It's called Extra Dim, and while the name may differ, most phones have something similar. So even if you're not using a Samsung, I got you covered. So let's start with Samsung users. So you swipe down twice from the top of your screen to open the full quick settings panel like that, and look for extra dim. If you don't see it, tap the plus icon or three dots at the top right, and select edit button. So this is the edit button here. I tap this and you drag. So here, okay, so go for the edit, and you drag the extra dim into the main panel. So this is extra dim. I can drag it into the main panel. Now it's here. So tap it once to enable it. Say done. Okay, let's go to extra dim now. So you tap it once to enable it or disable it, or you can tap and hold to access more settings like intensity and auto auto off timer. So if you press on it, this you can do it here too. You can turn it on and off. See what this does. On is extra dim, off is brighter. So, and you can put the shortcuts anywhere. Cancel for now. So this is where you can set the intensity. You can even make it more darker depending on how you want it, and you can turn off after restart. You can set your own, adjust it how you want here. Okay, so this reduces your screen brightness beyond the minimum level. It's perfect for reading at night or using your phone in a dark room. And now, if you're using a Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, like most Android phones, you might not see extra dim by name, but the same result can be achieved. So try this instead. Go to your settings and then accessibility. You tap on visibility enhancements or display enhancement. It varies by model. Look for options like reduce bright colors, dark mode, or eye comfort shield. Turn the relevant setting and adjust intensity if available. So while it might not be called extra dim, these options do the same thing. Reduce harsh light and save your eyes at night. iPhone users, you can achieve similar dimming effects too. You go to settings, accessibility, display and text size, and you scroll down and turn on reduce white point. Adjust the slider to control how dim the screen gets. Okay, so this softens your phone's brightness, your iPhone brightness, even below the lowest settings. Great for nighttime scrolling and when you just need less glare. So like practical uses for extra dim, like reading ebooks or messages in bed, watching videos at night without disturbing others, using your phone discreetly in a cinema, hospital or quiet place, helping with light sensitivity and migraines, reducing battery drain from high brightness. Okay, so if you've ever felt blinded by your screen in the dark, this feature is a must. Whether it's extra dim on Samsung or reduced white point on iPhone, your eyes will feel the difference. So don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more smartphone tricks like this. Got a phone brand I didn't cover? Drop it in the comment and I'll make a custom video for it.